Hello everyone, Coach Carole with you today on the 22nd of January with livecast number 22. I'm focusing in on your preparation for ancestral storytelling, and my tip for today is how you can plan and plot your story for your ancestors using a Trello board. I'm going to share my screen with you and give you a brief demonstration so that you can see how easy it is to set up your Trello board. I'm sharing with you my ancestral research plan for 2022. And I've set this out as a series of lists so that on each month I can focus in on the research and the storytelling for a particular ancestral line and specific ancestors from that family. So I've numbered my list January, February, March, and so on. Now you can create lists very simply by using the function over here on the right called add another list. So I'm now going to add one for August. So just click on that and type in the name of that list, which will be August 2022. And of course, if you've got others that you want to add, you can keep adding them across the screen. Drawing your attention back now to the front of this particular storyboard. That's what it is, really. It's a storyboard. And within the list, you have cards. So each one of these is a separate card, as you can see, and I can move them around on my list according to where I'm up to. And my next things to write about, or next ancestors to write about, are those who appeared in the wedding in 1938. So let me just show you how easy it is to edit. And within the card, you can add a photo, such as this one that I've added. And this particular photo was featuring in my recent blog post over at coachcarolewriting.wordpress.com. I'll share that with you in a moment. Everything that you do in the Trello board is automatically saved. You don't have to worry about losing anything. So in each list, I've got some pictures to help the visuals to prompt my storytelling. And I have some facts and figures. So for the previous ancestors here, I had a picture of the church where these ancestors were married, and did a bit of research on the Holy Trinity at Penton Musey, Hampshire, and found this information from British History Online. So that reminds me where to go back if I need more information. What I find really intriguing and interesting with a Trello board is that it helps you to plot and plan ahead and to include the details that you want to include for the stories of your ancestors. So for example, in February, I want to focus in on some of those multiple births that my grandmother had, including triplets in 1906. And if I want to add a cover photo for that one to prompt that, I will do that in this fashion. Find the right folder and the right picture of my grandmother with the triplets. A very precious photo, that one. And then just come out of it, and now you can see I have that photo ready to prompt me to tell that story. I love Trello boards. I'm hoping that you will too. So if you've liked this tip and you want to see more, let me come back to the screen here with you. Then you can go to my channel here at YouTube. So it's Coach Carole Online /YouTube channel. Or if you'd like to learn more about how you can use Trello to create those ancestral cards, then you can go to my free course, coachcaroleonline.com /family history magic. Many people are enjoying that particular course in there, where you get to focus in on planning using the Trello boards. I hope you've enjoyed this tip today, as I have in bringing it to you. There will be more in these practical tips during this final week of the January livecast challenge. I hope to see you back here then. Bye for now.